Hey guys, if you're trying to choose a trading platform and don't want to waste time testing everything yourself, this video will help you. Today we are taking a full look at Quotex and why many traders consider it one of the most convenient platforms right now. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I've prepared a bonus for you. And if you want to check it yourself, you can find the official links in the description below. So let's start with the first thing you notice, the interface. Quotex is one of the cleanest platforms out there. When you open it, you immediately understand where everything is. There's no overload of buttons, no confusing layout, just the chart, assets and controls. And this is a big advantage compared to platforms like IQ Option or Pocket Option where beginners often feel overwhelmed at first. Now let's talk about speed. Quotex is very responsive.
Switching between assets is instant, charts load quickly and the platform doesn't lag. And this is something that many users underestimate, because even small delays can completely ruin the experience. Next, functionality. Even though the interface is simple, you still have everything you need. You can switch assets, adjust chart types, and use basic tools without digging through menus. Compared to more complex platforms, this saves a lot of time, especially if you're just starting. Another important point is accessibility. Quotex works smoothly both on desktop and mobile. And this is important if you don't always use a computer. So what makes it better than competitors? It's the balance. Some platforms are powerful but complicated, others are simple but too limited. Quotex sits right in the middle, simple, fast and functional. And that's exactly why many beginners choose it. So what should you do? If you want something easy to understand but still flexible enough to use, Quotex is definitely worth trying. And here's something important. When you use the correct link and top up your balance, platforms like Quotex often provide a bonus, which gives you a better starting position. If you want to get started, check the links in the description. Choose your platform, and when you top up your account, you'll get a good bonus to your balance from our channel when you register through the link, which will give you a better start. I'll also help you personally with a free consultation so you can avoid beginner mistakes. That way, you don't just pick a platform, you start with a clear advantage.